In this part, I'm going to show you the simplest possible steps to pass a record from one Flutterflow page to another. I've already got a simple list set up from the first part. I've got a simple database with a column called Word, and the name of the table is W3. First, let me show you in a diagram, and then we'll go through it in the Flutterflow interface. On the left side is the sending page, on the right side is the receiving page, and we bounce back and forth a few times. So in the sending page, with the list selected, or the item in the list, we add an action to navigate to the receiving page, and then are prompted to define a parameter. And we define a parameter of type document reference. And I've arbitrarily named it PAR Word Doc Ref and chosen document reference as the type. That bounces us back to the sending page where we click on the pass button and define it further. And on the receiving page, we add a query that uses that document reference. So it's a query of type document reference. We cite the database table. And finally, on the field where we want to display the value, we use set from variable again and choose the field within the table. So let's take a look at this. First, we will go to pages and add a receiving page, and I'll just call it REC, create page. It's okay, it has a column on it. We will add a text item in the column and go back to our list page where we select the item we're going to click within the table and choose actions, add action. It's already set to on tap. I'll choose navigate to and choose the REC page that I set up, and now you can see I can define a parameter. So I click define parameter, but notice it'll change to the receiving page. I add a parameter, I put in PAR, and it's arbitrary what you name it, but I choose as the type document reference. And I choose the database table and click confirm. Now we're put back on the list page, and we can define what we're going to pass specifically. And we click on the parameter that we set up, and we choose from the W3 document, we choose reference, because we're passing a document reference, and confirm that. Now we have to go back to the receiving page, and on the container we set up a query, and this time we're not querying the collection, we're querying the document from reference that we passed. We choose our table and we choose the parameter that we set up. And now, if we choose the text field, we can use set from variable, and the W3 document values are available, and we can choose one of the columns. And if we run it, and I'll use instant reload, and here's our list, and if I click on an item, it passes the value through the reference to the field. That's it.